And we are on the bridge now. They must pay attention. They must listen. Endsars and SWAT. Na taxi airport block road, sir. I said na taxi airport block road.
See Pro-sars people, you guys, they're coming with sticks. There are so many. There are so many. They are Pro-sars, Hausa boys, and they are coming with sticks. And they want to hit cars. See them, they are a lot. They are coming with sticks.
Thank you, police. Pro-sars, is the police. Now this Pro-sars guys now.
Pro-sars guys. Pro-sars guys.
Look at what they did to people's cars.
We will get you another car.
Now, Hausa boys, Hausa boys.
Protesting peacefully. Someone had this on his right hand tied. He had a cutlass on the left hand. He had this tied to his right hand. We had to run after him, hit the cutlass out of his hand. He almost struck one of our guys with this, and we had to remove it from his hand. This was tied to his hand. This was tied to his hand.
Now I know him now. I know about the state area. Who sponsored them? Who sponsored them?
Guys came.
Who sponsored them?
This is an exhibit, and I'm going to give it to the security officials over here. This came from the attackers, and we are going to give it to the security officials over here. Thank you.
You guys are doing your job. You guys are doing your job. Go ahead and do your job. Carry on.
My guy, how you feel right now? How you feel?
So pain, man. I didn't deserve this. I didn't do shit to these guys. Just to find a good luck here and just going to see my wife. My wife is pregnant. I just want to go and see her.
See, my guy, just calm down. We'll fight this fight for you.